Hi, this is Marcelo. In this video, we're going to show you how to debug Python code. A couple of things we need to check is that to make sure we have the extension Python installed. If you go to the extensions icon right here, you can search for Python, click enter, and this will pop up if it's installed. If not, you'll see that you'll need to install it. That's pretty much it. That'll come with this debugger and the pylines. Once you have that installed, you will need to go here and select the file that you want to debug. And by debugging, we're going to put some breakpoints. And breakpoints basically allow the code to stop at that point, at that breakpoint that you've set it up. So in this case, we're putting a breakpoint at line number 15 and line number 18. So let's get started. You're going to go here and you're going to Python debugger, Python file right here. You're going to select Python debugger, debug Python file. Once you get that going, you're going to get these icons. These icons will allow you to step. This first icon allows you to step over, and then this one will allow you to step into. Usually you want to step into if you want the code to go into a function, and you'll see what I mean. And then there's this other one, step out. I usually just use the step over and then the step into. So let's go ahead and do step over. And you can see that this condition was not met, so it goes directly to the else statement, which is where I have another breakpoint. If you notice over here, I have some variables under watch. This allows you to set up, if you have multiple variables and you're going to have different data types, this will allow you to see what n is, the n value in this case. Right now is being set to 5. Why 5? Because I passed in, if you notice over here, line 34, we're calling countdown 5, so the value of n is 5. So let's keep going. Let's step over again. And now it's going to call countdown again. And now we're back at line number 15. And now n is 4. So we're going to keep going. And now it's going to print that number. So if you notice over here in the terminal, it's printing number 4. Let's keep stepping over, I mean. And now line n is equal to 3, and so on and so forth. So now you should be able to debug your code and kind of put watchers for your variables that you want to keep an eye on. If you want to bypass all your breakpoints, you can just remove all the breakpoints right here and then just play, which will play the rest of, which will basically run the rest of your code. And there it is. There's I've finished running this code, and then it didn't stop at each breakpoint because we removed the breakpoints, and then the last thing that it print was blast off. Hope you enjoyed the video, and happy coding. I hope you can start debugging your own Python code. Thank you.